What's up everybody? Bergs here from Southern Cross Garrison 501st. Today, it's Baby Groot Day. So here's my Baby Groot. I've been printing overnight for a friend. I'll be prepping it today. I decided to go with a raft and some supports for it. We'll see how that breaks away. Alright, we're in the workshop. For those that don't do 3D printing, this is a raft on the bottom of here, and this is support material. What happens is you need to have support material underneath overhanging structures, otherwise the printer doesn't have a base to print on, so you would just end up with like bits drooping off. So fingers crossed, this is what you do. Usually it all comes away pretty easily. So some, I believe, have printed this item with no supports. I just didn't want to trust it. Not trust it. It was a long print, so I just wanted it to stick to the bed, and there you go. One Groot head. Beautiful. Well, there we go, guys. The finished result. I think it came out pretty good. What do you guys think? I stuck him on a 10mm thick piece of acrylic with a bevel as a base. Just glue him on there, and that's just a matte finish with some dry brushing done to it, just to pick up the edges. Dry brushing done to the Groot. I think he looks fantastic. My mate's going to be so stoked with this. It'll be a good little gift for him. So yeah, print yourself a Groot. All credit though goes to Byambaa on Thingiverse. He's been so kind and uploaded this for everybody to use. So yeah, top marks for his design work. It's fantastic. So jump on Thingiverse and download yourself a Groot. If you want another group to check out, 3D printing on Facebook. They're fantastic. There's always people pointing you in the right direction, giving you helpful tips. Yeah, so they'll upload. A lot of people upload files to Thingiverse. So shout out to Thingiverse, Byambaa for his work, and 3D printing. So there's your Groot, guys. Happy days. Catch you next time.